Gentlemen, so welcome to the demonstration video for our team for the Capstone project of 2025. The project name is Enhanced Operation using Tractable Embedded Tool. I'm Yat, and we are members of the Team Warriors. And in the next video, we'll introduce to everyone a little bit about the project. So before we start the presentation, we would like to remind our audience a few things about the agenda. First, we're going to talk about the project overview, then some market research, followed by a little bit about the literature behind it, some solution design, and finally, some demonstration of basic prototypes. So without further ado, let's go into the overview. So the scenario behind the project is simple. Teamwork is very important nowadays, but there are some reports of discrepancy between team members and others, and some complaint about random teammates just appear recently from society groups about unique also honest. So the project is born to solve that. It will be a functional application that can be digitally embedded onto the canvas, but also a standalone app on laptop and mobile. It can monitor and assist with every aspect in the teamwork project. So the objectives of this app will be solving the following three issues: the free writing issue, the quality, and the communication issues. So this means that with this app, no one is an escape from raw team working. They have to work seriously because each of their contribution the app will know. So about the scope, there will be 4 core function blocks. First and foremost, it's about the group allocation monitoring engine, which will be considered the most important part of this project. The second thing will be the mini surveys technical visits for the students to work during their project timeline. Third thing is about the compilation and collaboration tool to assist with the project app. And finally, there will be some assignment management system for our educators. And in the future, if the app is successful, then there will be some extra functions for the educators like analytics, separate dashboard, and even our pronunciation system. So the deliverables for this project are: first is the embedded tool I mentioned. The second is some research-informed criteria for application, which will be useful for our lecturers. Some implementation reports will also be provided, and finally some research papers with practical limitations regarding team formation dynamics for our lecturers. So there will be 4 metrics for measuring success of this project, including speed and accuracy, engagement, national impact, and system usability. So here are some of the articles that are leading to the development of this project. And without further ado, let's go into the project solutions and implementation. So you can see this will be the user interface design expected for our app. You can see there will be a lot of screens, which my friend is going to explain later on. And about the technology stack, so there will be 3 basic tools to be used. Ladder, our programming language for mobile over the front end, Python plus API as the backend side, and both will be persistent using data from MongoDB, and Docker as the containerization tools. About the use cases, there will be a total of 70 use cases from group forming, monitoring, survey, and others, and covering everyone from students to educators and even administrators. So that's all for the first part of the demo. Later on, my friend is going to explain the next part.
Hi, my name is Uy, and I'm going to talk briefly about our project. So we're going to have 2 types of applications, the mobile one and the laptop, the desktop version. So they're pretty much the same in the flows and also the functions. The only difference is the different UI. So yep, in this application, we're going to have 3 roles. The first one is admin, the second one is the teacher, and the last one is the student. So for admin can manage the users and roles, the courses, the schools, and also the semester time. And for the teacher, they can manage the groups under the courses that they are in charge with. They can also tracking the groups, the process of the groups, And also they can manage the group modification requests, also the reports as well. And they can start a new, they can form a new group, and they also can create survey and also the constraints for the student before they form the group. And the last one is the student. Student can also create groups, but they have to send the request to the teacher before they approve the group. And the student can manage their own groups and also the project status. They can also create the subgroup as well, and they can break the task to work in the subgroup. And they can also modify the group, but they have to send this request to the teacher. And they can, what else they can? Yep, they can see their own temple as well. So this just a draft. We're going to build a whole function in our next capstone. So thank you for listening.
Hi, I am the Ethan, and I am responsible for the mobile port. So this is just a showcase on what we can do. So let's on. This is the mobile part so far, and I'm gonna log in as a teacher right now to show you some of the functionalities. And of course, I created a project before but this is how I created. I have now I want to do a group name, let's say BBB, and select the course. I created two of them using the admin power. I'm gonna add to test user 1 and 2. I don't need to add the teacher, and he or she will be automatically created. And I'm gonna set a deadline, 5 p.m. Okay. And now I want to confirm it. Thank you very much. Now, as you can see, the project is already created over here. If you click on the projects right here, you can see that these are the projects that I created. And if you look at this right here, you see that students one, test user 1, test user 2, it's already added. So if I log out right now and I go to test user 1, password 123, you will see that it's gonna show up to this person's also. And the reason why you don't see the other project is because this user is not added to it. And if you go to test your user 2, password 123 also, you will see that they will see, and you will see they will see the other projects as well. So that's the crux of it. And if you have any other questions, please let me know. And thank you very much. Have a nice day.